Rajgruha, the residence of late Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, was vandalized by unidentified miscreants late on Tuesday evening. The miscreants also pelted stones and broke the glass windows. CCTV outside the house was also broken, and flower pots outside the bungalow were vandalized too. Rajgruha, situated in Mumbai's Dadar area, attracts thousands of Ambedkarites every year. Followers visit the place where Baba Saheb lived. Now his grandson Prakash Ambedkar stays in the bungalow. However, he informed that his family is safe and none of them are hurt. Prakash Ambedkar also appealed the followers of Ambedkar to remain calm and maintain the peace. The incident drew a sharp reaction from across the civil society and political leadership. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh tweeted about it, saying that the attack is condemnable. He said the police are investigating the matters and strict action will be taken against the culprits. India today reported a spike of 22,752 new COVID-19 cases and 482 deaths in the last 24 hours. Positive cases now stand at 7,42,417, including 2,64,944 active cases. Around 4,56,000 have been recovered and 20,642 deaths have been recorded. 2.62 lakh tests were conducted yesterday, and for the first time, India has conducted more than 2.5 lakh tests in a day. The coronavirus tally in Mumbai also rose to 86,132 yesterday, with the addition of 806 new cases, which is the lowest single-day figure in nearly 2 months, while the death of 64 patients took the toll near 5,000 mark. In a first in the country, Mumbai will outsource its ICU services in the government jumbo facilities to private bidders to address the staff crunch. As per the latest decision, private doctors and hospitals have been invited to bid to serve at the government jumbo facilities, and BMC will pay between Rs 6,000 and Rs 6,900 per bed to the private bidders. The BMC will provide all the infrastructure and medicines, while the private bidders will have to bring in their own staff. History cheater Vikas Dubey, whose henchmen gunned down 8 UP police personnel, has been spotted at a hotel in Haryana's Faridabad. According to sources, police have conducted a raid at the hotel and have taken 3 people into custody who are now being interrogated. A source said that Dubey had reached Faridabad and was trying to get a hotel room, but he could not get it because of the lack of documents. He was captured on CCTV of the hotel. The history cheater, however, managed to escape from the location before police could reach him. Meanwhile, 2 close aides of Dubey have been arrested from Faridabad by UP STF for allegedly helping him. As per the information, the gangster was trying to surrender before court in the NCR area. In some success for the Uttar Pradesh police, which is still struggling to nab gangster Vikas Dubey, his close aide Amar Dubey was shot dead in an encounter with cops in Modaha, Hamirpur on Wednesday morning. Till date, 3 policemen have been suspended for their alleged involvement in tipping off Vikas Dubey ahead of the police raid, in which 8 cops lost their lives and 7 were seriously injured. The suspended police personnel include 2 sub-inspectors and a constable. In a major revelation on Sunday, an aide of absconding gangster Dayashankar Agnihotri had admitted that someone from the police department had called Vikas Dubey and alerted him about the police raid. Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro said on Tuesday that he has tested positive for COVID-19 after months of downplaying the coronavirus severity, while deaths mounted rapidly inside the country. The 65-year-old populist leader, who has been known to mingle in crowds without covering his face, confirmed the results while wearing a mask and speaking to reporters huddled close in front of him in the capital, Brasilia. He said he is taking hydroxychloroquine, the anti-malarial drug that has not been proven effective against COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday tweeted best wishes for Brazil president, who has tested positive for coronavirus disease.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app. Choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.